Hazrat Huzail bin Shurahbil states that Hazrat Abu Moosa Ash'ari radiyallahu anhu was asked about the share of a daughter, granddaughter, and sister. He whereupon said, the daughter will get half and the sister will get half. Go to Hazrat ibn Masud radiyallahu anhu, he will corroborate my view. So Hazrat ibn Masud radiyallahu anhu was asked and aspired of Hazrat Abu Musa's verdict. He thereupon replied, if I intentionally gave the same verdict, I would stray and would not be of the rightly guided people. I will decide in this case as the Prophet ﷺ did. Half is for a daughter and 1/6 for the son's daughter, making 2/3 of the total property, and the rest goes to the sister. We thereafter returned to Hazrat Abu Musa Ash'ari radiyallahu anhu and informed him what Hazrat ibn Masud radiyallahu anhu had said. He whereupon said, don't ask me for my verdict, as long as such a learned man is among you. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6736.